Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to install iPhone keyboard in Xiaomi 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store for install iPhone keyboard. Then simply search here Green Apple keyboard. After search Green Apple keyboard, then install your Green Apple keyboard. After installing Green Apple keyboard, then open it and then switch input methods, and then you can select Gboard or Green Apple keyboard and then click on OK. So this is the way to install iPhone keyboard in Xiaomi 14T. Thanks for watching this video.